katokan ni gi rule hakabayadi ban ki refugees bawan napo kari Afghanistan, Pakistan bat Bangladesh hakaba kila ban apply ya ke Shillong try hapo kari India ke jungi itu mentangin ya pe ya kita ki rules hakaba nakaliang jongka sorkar BJP kalapalai nak bentai kini ki refugees penyo ke jingtip ke babanya hakbayadi bat kani ke CEA supaya kini share like subscribe ya silva official hapdeng ke jingieit ki win jongi state baper hapo kari India ke jongi penban ke sorkar BJP hakajingalam jong umentri rang badu kari Narendra Modi ula pentri kam sendon ya kani CEA haka kharwai tarik ubnai maj arajar arpusau de kilashnaru ya ki rules lane ki kendon nakabentai kini ki refugees ba kinla ban apply ya kata ke Shillong try juki hapo kari India itu mentang ya pet kita ki rules of CAA kini gidi kita ki rules tiba nakaliang jongka sorkar India kala plilat nakabenta ki refugees. Number 1, an individual of Indian citizen origin seeking registration as a citizen of India. Number 2, an individual married to a citizen of India. Nong kino ki bomdei try na po India ki balaya tho bat kanong India ki la ban apply ya ke Shillong try jungki. Number 3, an individual whose parents are registered as citizen of India. Long ba kino ki badon ya kini ki bala register ba ki kinong India ki bala sa shabar kum Afghanistan, Pakistan, Bangladesh kila banwan apply ba banong kita ki try shnong jong kari India. Number 4, an individual who is registered as an overseas citizen of India card holder. Lada day kino ki bala sa shapori India but ki bala register kumha ki card holder kila ban apply menta bandong try shnong jong kari India jungi. CA aims to expedite the process of granting Indian citizenship to non-Muslim migrants from Afghanistan, Bangladesh and Pakistan. Nomagani ke CA ka jingtumu jongka banwanra no ya kita ki pala sa sha kiwei pat kiri badai napori India jungi kata ka bamun ki basa sha po Afghanistan, Bangladesh ban Afghanistan. These include Hindu, Sikh, Jain, Buddhist, Christians and Parsis refugees who came to India before 31st December 2014. Bahwa yakini la kontuk ki Hindu, ki Sikh, ki Jain, Buddhist, Christian, but Parsi ki balawan bhoisongs hapo kari India jungi nadu ka laipui tarik December rajar khatsau. But kini ki jaj bandu na ki kenhuniam baper kila ban apply banlong no try shnong jong kari India. 30 district magistrates and home secretaries of 9 states have been vested with powers to grant citizenship. Bat ka sarkar kala ai bori kini ki laipu taliki district magistrate bat secretaries jong ki khnai taliki state ban nangshim karteng ya kini ki refugees.